Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use TikTok. So it is basically a beginner guide in which I'll teach you how you can use TikTok and how you can make videos and do lots of stuff with TikTok application. So first of all, you have to just simply open up Play Store and simply search for TikTok and simply install the TikTok application. So after searching for TikTok, you have to just simply click on it and make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. Simply hit the open to open up the TikTok. So you guys can see the TikTok is open to you. So it is the first interface. You have to just simply log in with your account if you are using the for the first time. So after logging in with your account, or if you have not log in with your account, you guys can also create an account. So after creating with account, you have to just simply go to the home section. You will be automatically directed to the home section. So here what you have to do is just simply you have to just simply swipe up to see the videos, or you guys can just simply like the video by just tapping on this heart icon, or you guys can just simply hit the comment button to add comments to the post or video. And here you guys can just simply tap on the save button to save the post or video, or you guys can also share that specific post or video to someone or which of your friends, or you guys can just simply go to the any of the specific application to what, for example, you send to WhatsApp, just simply hit the WhatsApp, or you guys can also download the video by just hitting the save button, or simply do lots of stuff here. So here is at the top you guys can see here is the for you section. So for you section is basically the section in which you will see the all the trending videos and some of the videos of your friends or friends. And second thing is, in your if you are redirected to the following section, you guys can see that we are going to following section. So here in the following section, you have guys can only see the posts of your friends or family here. And in the last section, which is your city section, you guys can also see the post according to in your region or area. So you guys can also see the post of the people or person in your region or area at the third corner. So here in the below panel, you guys can see the second option is friends section. So you guys can see the latest post of your friends. If your friends post the latest videos on TikTok, you will be able to access those videos here. So here in the plus button to upload the video, you guys can see, just simply hit the plus button. So after hitting the plus button, you guys will be able to see that your camera will be open to you. You guys can also record the video by just tapping on the red button, or you guys can also adjust the video duration. You guys can see the 10 minute, 60 second, 15 second, or you guys can also add the photo, or you guys can also just add the text. So if you just add the photo, you have to just simply switch to photo section, or if you just tap to add the text, you guys can also just add, you guys can just add text here. Or if you want to post a story, you guys can just simply hit the story button below, and you guys can just simply post story through here. And you guys can also upload the specific post or story to your TikTok by just tapping on upload button, and you guys your phone gallery will be opened here. Here you guys can also select this your phone's post to your TikTok story, or you guys can also post to TikTok. So you guys can also use templates by just hitting the template section, and you guys can see lots of templates are here. You guys can just simply tap on upload button to use templates. So by just going back, you have to just simply go to the third section, which is the fourth section, which is the inbox section. By just inbox section, you guys can just see the messages. You guys can make chats here. You guys can connect with your friends or family here. Or if you want to go to the activity section, you guys can just simply see all the activities, like who liked your post, who comments your post. You guys can just see all of the notifications here. And here in the new follower section, you guys can just see lots of followers which you are following to you. You guys can see here, or if you will just scroll down in the new follower section, here is the suggested account which are related to your phone number, or your which are related to your friends or family. So you guys can here see the lots of suggested friend. And if you want to go to the profile by just tapping on top right corner of your profile, and here your profile will be open. You guys can also edit your profile by just hitting the edit profile, or you guys can just simply share your profile by just tapping on share profile. You guys can just simply go back and simply go to following and check your following. You guys can also check your followers by just hitting followers. You guys can also see the likes here. You have received a total likes. And you guys here is the your username of the TikTok, and here is the name of your TikTok. And you guys can also open up the setting by just tapping on the top right corner of the horizontal line, and simply go to the settings and privacy. Here all the settings of the TikTok. If you want to go to check off all your posts, you guys can just simply swipe up or scroll down, and you guys can just simply see all the posts you have made on TikTok. If you have to go to if you have made the post to private, you guys can just simply hit this key lock icon, and you guys can see the private posts. So if you have reposted any video, you guys can see the repost here. If you have saved the video, you guys can just simply see lots of the videos which you have saved. previously. Or if you want to see the liked videos which you have liked, you guys can just simply scroll down and go to this heart icon and simply see the videos which you have made liked. So I hope these all are okay to you. I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.